This is Michael Gershman with North Beach Community TV and NorthBeachNow.com in front of the huge new mural that we have on the outside of the Ocean Shores Convention Center, and I'm here with two of the people that made this possible.
Hi, I'm Diane Solem. I'm the general manager of the Ocean Shores Convention Center.
And I'm Judy Horn, local artist here in Ocean Shores.
And about 3 or 4 years ago, Doug Orr sent a piece of art to the mayor and said that he thought it would look fabulous on the outside of the convention center. And then it kind of went by the wayside a little bit, and then COVID happened and weather happened, and so the mayor asked us to revisit that for this year. And the piece of art was kind of a famous piece of art that was almost looked like a tsunami wave, and I didn't feel like that really showcased Ocean Shores. So in comes Judy Horn, a local artist.
Hi. I had the privilege of working on the design for this mural, and really it depicts what you might see out on our beach. You know, we have clam diggers, we have kite flyers, we have horseback riders, and just kids playing in the sand. And it was really an honor to work on this and do the design and then have Doug Orr bring it to completion by doing the painting.
It took Doug less than a month to do this, and I'm just thrilled with it. It turned out better than I ever thought it would have. It's just a beautiful piece of art for our community.
There's quite an artist group here in Ocean Shores that work on things like this, and I would just invite you to visit our Art Splash studio tour on August 14th and 15th, coming up in a couple of months. We'd love to see you all here.
Now let's go to Scott Johnston and his conversation with Doug Orr as Doug Orr was in the process of making the mural.
Hello, my name is Douglas Orr, and I've been working on the big mural at the Convention Center in Ocean Shores. The mural is designed by Judy Horn. She's an Ocean Shores artist of many years, and then I painted it, since I can paint large, and I don't know if she can or not. So we've been trying to get a mural on the Convention Center for about 5 or 6 years now, working on it, and then COVID popped up right when they decided to do it, so we had to postpone it for another year. But here it is, and this isn't it. This is another painting I've done called Preacher's Slough. It's just outside of Cosmopolis is where that's located. Let's see, so the mural in Ocean Shores, it took me about 6.5 weeks to paint. I was expecting it to take longer, but the weather cooperated. We used 34 separate colors on it, and this, unlike regular painting, you don't really mix these colors. You have to buy each color the color you want, the tint you want. So there's 34 of them. I can't tell you how many gallons, maybe 15 or so gallons of paint used, but we didn't use all of them. Let's see, the weather's been really nice. Everything's been great. So it was a pleasure painting it. The locals are really nice to talk to. I love doing murals. I've done 4 murals in Aberdeen. So if you want to see any more of my work, you can check the murals out in Aberdeen. They're done by me and then another artist, Jenny Fisher. And then I also own the Aberdeen Art Center with Aldergrove Gallery, and I have some of my work in there as well. That's it. You can check out our website, aberdeenartcenter.com. It has it tells about what we're doing in the Art Center, and also you can see some of my work on there.